Welcome. I'm Chef Geoff. You've come here to turn your old brew into cold brew. We'll be starting our brew with roughly 6 tablespoons of coarse ground coffee from the hills of Guatemala. Next, we'll be needing to add room temperature water to our beans. Now, we will utilize an oak spoon to synthesize our mixture, using whatever method necessary. But don't plunge it just yet. Now we leave the brew overnight to steep. Good morning. Now for the moment you've all been waiting for. Plunge, 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 plungy, 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 plunge. Grab an ice cold glass and enjoy that pour. All that's left is to complete the beverage the way you like it. Till next time.